channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please do like, share, and subscribe, and please click the bell so that you will be notified on my upcoming videos. And right now, I'm here at Cakes and Memories at Seaside Cebu ground floor, near at the entrance area. So if they have this 3D mapping cake, guys, and I'm going to insert the video clip. It's super amazing. You need to check them out. I'm going to place the link in the description box. And don't forget, if you're here in Cebu or if you're not in Cebu, you can also order on their website as well. Okay? Nami kayo. I've tried their pastries, guys, and it's super delicious. I love the chocolates. You know me, I really love chocolates, and I got cookies, and then I ordered as well chocolate meron akong nakilalang bagong friend ko na vlogger din sa Cebu. It's Lagan, Cebu. I'm going to go to him. Super yummy, guys. I'm here at Cakes and Memories. Sarang he. Kani akong ganahan nga murag brownies type. Kay mura siyang chewy, ba di pa na mura baska.
Which is the first ever here in Cebu, ang animated cake here in Cakes and Memories. We have here, design your own cake. So, natay mga kamoy magbuhat inyong mga own cake. You can do whatever you want. If you're fun, then we have here, or if you like color yellow, pink. What is your best seller? Give me the best seller that you have.
Pinaka best seller namin yung moist chocolate cake. So, premium moist chocolate cake. Yun yung ginagamit namin sa mga decorated cakes namin. So,
butanga of dedication, pwede rasad gihapon. Or pwede yung mga butanga of flowers, pwede rasad gihapon. Dali-dali na mga birthday, pwede available kayo sa SM Seaside.
Guys, I've met a new friend.
Hi, hello!
Subscribe to him, guys.
Laagan sa Subo. Manglaag ta sa mga nindot na laagan sa Subo, sa gawas o sulod sa Subo.
Yes, you can have travel tips. Visit him and please tell him that I sent you, okay? Subscribe! Guys, you can also decorate as well your own cakes. Guys, nasa sila yung chocolate. Oh my god, chocolate is life. So right now, my friends are decorating their cakes and I'm not really good on that, you know that. So I'm going to spy on them. I'm going to spy on them. Guys, I'm ready to make my own cake. I chose the hard one, guys. Serious, guys, Mami Ems, guys. Hygiene. So, maghimo kay cake, di magsigig saba kaya ang laway, magpisik-pisik. Guys, have you seen the hearts? Oh my god. Hindi ba control? Hala, pasabtak ko. Focus day. Focus day. Oh, nice kay guys. Kaya ako mang hinimo. Oh my god. Pasabtak ko Goodness, nice kayo. First time ko tong nag-design ng cake. So, love it, guys.
Thanks to Cakes and Memories.
Yes, thanks to Cakes and Memories. You need to visit them at Seaside ground floor, Cebu entrance area. Okay? Links will be posted down below and every details about them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe and visit Cakes and Memories here at SMC View, okay? So bye-bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, sarang I don't know how hard. Isa lang.